I was asked to think of a name, Oyate. So when we say Oyate, it just means the little bit of the people around you.
The name Oyateki was chosen for this project as a symbol of what we aim to achieve through collaboration.
Oyateki is the coming together of 3 post-secondary institutions committed to empowering Indigenous students.
The partnerships build on the strength of the relationships in our communities to transform education and employment systems for Indigenous youth.
We all came together at the ground level and we imagined and envisioned what this could be, how we might be able to work together and actually change the course of education for Indigenous kids.
I can see the emotional connection and the importance and, just trying to figure out, I guess, that continuum of roles between our knowledge keepers and our youth.
So this collaboration helps to support students from high school out of college, and in multiple ways, anything that the student needs and any direction they want to go.
Oyateki's key mission is transformation.
The transformation highlights including Indigenous knowledge in all areas of learning. All learners will benefit from culturally based practices.
With input from our elders on Indigenous knowledge, Oyateki has developed a learning framework. The framework-based concepts are learning through listening, observing, participating, and acknowledgement.
Listening. We learn by listening to the wisdom in our storytelling of ways of being and the use of our Indigenous languages.
Observing. We learn by watching ceremony, cultural practices, and practical skills. We see the examples set by role models and follow in the ways of others before us.
Participating. We learn to participate in activities by using language in everyday life, taking part in ceremonial ways, and using all the senses to learn and do.
Acknowledging. We learn through celebrating the achievements of our youth, by showing gratitude and appreciation, and by sharing in pride of family members.
There's hope. I see hope when I see young people that want to know about education. I know that in 20 years my grandson, the one that I picked Sweetgrass with, he's going to carry that on.
As a student, I want to see my people in those roles.
Well, the youth are our future, and this is what the kind of world that we build right now is what we leave them, from our elders all the way down to our little ones.
Oyateki is co-creating systems change along with elders, youth, and community. Coming together to listen and engage is what drives creativity and innovation, and that leads to solutions.
Oyateki is collaborating to transform systems. We're clearing pathways for Indigenous youth to have post-secondary education and meaningful employment.